So you can see, quite shocking. I really do need help when it comes to under eye circles. Whew. Not something I like doing on camera, but I think it's important that you see that, look, I do need serious help when it comes to under eye circles. Here's what you do next. Grab your Colour by Mare Dual Action Concealer. I am going to just pat this, starting on the inner corner of my eye. But can you see already just how much of a brightening and lifting effect this is giving to not just my under eye circle, but to my whole face? It's just almost giving me 8 hours of sleep in a tiny little tube. I absolutely love it, and it really boosts my confidence. It doesn't crease, it doesn't go cakey, it just makes your under eye look beautifully fresh and hydrated. I think I'm now ready to take on the day with extra bit of confidence, and I think you're really gonna love it too.